Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can delete business profile in Google Maps. So very first thing we need to do is to open your browser, and in the search bar we're gonna type something like my business. Then here you need to make sure that the business profile which you're gonna delete should be connected with the account which you are using on your browser. Like mine one is already selected. If it is not in your case, you can just select that from here. Once you're sure about that, here you just need to scroll a bit till you find your ID like this. So this is my business profile which I want to delete. So for that I just need to click on that. Then your profile will get open on browser. So here you just need to click on these three dots, then click on business profile settings. Here you have the option remove business profile, so click on that. Click on remove profile content and managers. Now here on the screen, let's click on continue. Click on remove, and yeah, there you have it. The profile has been successfully deleted, and that's exactly how you can delete business profile on Google Maps. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.